Hello guys, my name is Ajay and in this video I am going to show you how to create a like and dislike button. So let's get started. Let's open our project in Atom. And we can create a model and migration for like. So for that, just run the command php artisan make model like with a flag of migration. This will create a model and migration for you. So now the model and migration is successfully created. Okay, now let's open our migration file and can add a new column stable integer for the post id and another one for user id. Don't forget to add the unsigned now we need one more, which will be a boolean like. If it is true, then the user like the post. If it is false, it will be dislike. Now the migration is done. Let's open our like model. Now we can set the relation between like, post and user. So first of all, start with the like, public function user, turn this belongs to user. Let's copy and paste it down. For the post belongs to post. Okay, and let's open our post model, and here public function likes return this has many likes. No, it's not likes, it's like. Now in the user model, close everything this, and a public function with likes. Let's copy this and paste it here and change the category to like. And that's all for the model. Now we have successfully created the model. Now we can create a controller for like. So run php artisan make controller, should be the like controller, successfully created. Now we can define a route. It will be route post like and like controller at index, and we also need a middleware, should be auth. Now open up our like controller and public function index with the request. Now we will return something like status and it's okay. Now let's open our layout app.blade.php, because all our script will be down here. And open our, we'll start by the short.blade.php. So add a class of like to dislike and like. Do it for the index too. Like, and we have one more, which is set the category show all.blade.php, and here also add like. Okay, now the script will start. The script first will be document.ready function to check whether the document is completely loaded or not. And now when a user click the like or dislike button, this function will be triggered. So function e, and I will say e dot prevent default to stop the page from going to the top. And now I will console dot log e. Just run php artisan serve. Open up your localhost 8000. Go to post here. Click is only one C enough. Okay, now when we click the like button, we can see about the like, and set the target. You can see a previous, where is it, previous, yeah, here's previous element sibling. So just copy that, and here I will do for like equal to e dot target dot previous element sibling equal to null, which will return true or false. If it is true, then it is a like, and if it is false, it is dislike, because previous element siblings means is there any element before the current one. So the dislike element have another sibling before the dislike, which is a like, but the like don't have it before, it has only the after. So in the previous element sibling it will be null. Okay, now let's reload and write again. Change it to like, and we click like, it will return true, and if we click dislike, it will return false. Okay, now let's move on to the axios function. So I am going to use axios instead of the ajax. Axios come with the Laravel 5.4, so no need to install it in another way. So just type axios post, and first will be the link, so it is like, and second is the data which we send, so type it data, and then the response. When the response comes, the function over here is triggered. So we'll just remove that and define the data variable. First of all, is like will be like, and user ID will be the auth user ID. Okay, now the post ID will be, okay, we have to find a solution for that. So I think I have another way to do that. Just open index.blade.php. Our before that we can console log it again, and I will explain. parent, where is it, parent node be div panel footer. So the panel footer, is it panel footer? Hey panel footer, where are you? Panel title, oh yeah, here it is. Or here we'll do something like data post ID will be post ID. If you refresh and look, then you can see that inside parent node see it here. Yeah, here it is under the data set, the post ID. So we will get this data like var post ID equal to e dot target dot parent parent node dot data set and the post ID. Okay, now we console.log the post ID. You can see that post ID is 1. Okay, now we can create a new post, another post, something over here, edit. Now that's the new post. Here it is. If you click like, it will show 2. Okay, now under the data, let's remove this. Under the data we can, the post ID will be post ID. Okay, now that's all for the data. Now we can move on to the function over here. First of all, we can console.log the response. Okay, we try. Here it is. We can see the response. To see what is the response, open status, not status, date, I think. Straight. Yes, here it is. The data is status. Okay, just what we sent from here. Okay, this works fine. Then if you click again, you can see, okay, this works fine. Now we can do the function out here, but before that we have to migrate our table. So PHP artisan migrate, still migrate the like table. So now we should use app like. Now here we don't want the validation, so what we do here is, oh wait a minute, we don't want the user, is it user ID over here. We can directly take the user ID from here. So first use auth wizard, and here like is equal to new like. So like user ID. So ID will be auth user ID, and the like post id will be from the request itself, post id, right? No, it's post id, and here the like will be the request is like, just like, right? No, it's is like. Okay, now we can save it. Load. If we click like, we will get okay, this worked fine. And if we go to localhost /phpMyAdmin, you can see that likes, there is our like. Okay, now the like is 1, it is because of true or false. 1 means true, and if we click dislike, you can see that it will be 0, that is okay. Now what we have to do is change the design of like or dislike. So here what I do is, first console.log e and like our current target will be this, or yeah, we'll do like that and change the class name. So we dot current target or class name will be is it class name, copy it and add active. If you click it, you can see that now we have a new class of active. Now we can design the active here, style dot active will be having text decoration of underline, and what else can we do, and the color will be something like black. So just going to add a class of active manually, and here it is. We already liked it, so it's like that. Now what we have to do is to check whether the user have already liked it. So back in the controller, you have to get all the likes. So likes, go to like all, and where user id equal to auth user id. Now we will give and we will also check that the post id equal the post id, it's post id, and get the first one. If the likes equal to null, then we will do this function. Just reload it and I will show you. There's 4 of them, so do a multiple delete, like select them, delete, yes, what, okay. Now here, like, now you can see that no more IDs created, so I will do a else condition, and if else there is a like with like, then I will edit that. So can I get that? So just use the $X, we can get it like that, and change the like to request is like, and just save the likes. That's it. Now if I reload and click the dislike one, you can see that change the like to from 1 to 0. Okay, now that worked fine. Now we need to display the likes here, the total number of likes, and whether the user who is seeing that has liked already or not. So for that, what I will do is the for each condition here, I will check whether there is a like already or not. So what I do is auth user wait a minute, let me do a quick reference. The user, we have likes, but in post also likes. So we can do a for each loop to check whether there is. So first for each auth user likes as like, and give a if condition. If the like the like what, like post id equal to the post id, then I will cut and paste it out there, and give a one more if condition, that to check whether the like. So if it is true, then this will be here, and if it is false, the else condition, this like will be there with a class of active. Reload. Oh, yeah, we need both of them. Now cut, but without the class active. Copy him, just in there, and remove the class active. And now we can see both of them. Okay, now here we can't see anything because this if condition failed in the above one. So we will give a else condition. Else is here. No, where is it? Yeah, it's giving it's outside the indif, so else will be here and here. Just copy and paste both of them without the class active. See, now that worked fine. Now you can successfully like and dislike without any problem. So now you have to do the same for all, like the show here and the sort by category one. So just, you know what, just copy and paste it. But for the show, any user can see it, so we need one more if condition, which will be auth check, and remove it, paste it here and here. Need a else condition and copy them out here. No, without the like class. Now that's correct. Yeah, now copy him, category show all, and remove them. Now that's not all. We forget one another thing. Index, this we forgot to add it here and here. Okay, now you can like, now the like function is working without any problem. So if you reload, you can see, okay, even if you log out and something like post to, not edit, yeah, post /2, not edit, just do, yeah. Now we can, there is a like and dislike button, but problem is don't have a class like. So we can do another thing, that if we click this like without authentication, we will be redirected to another. So it's very easy, just go to show and here add another class log and back to here. We log dot click function will be we will redirect them, or we don't want to think like that. There is a simple way. Instead of giving the log class, we can give the extra, which will be URL login, simple as that. Now if we click this, we will be redirected to the login page. Don't know, login, that's enough. Okay, now if we click it, we will redirect to a login page. It's like same. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and you can always contact me through Twitter, Facebook, or in the contact form which is on my own website.